CRM is a system where you can manage your interactions with customers. It stores all the requests from all the contact forms on your websites and allows you to deal with each request individually. To manage the deals efficiently, you process each of them and move across all the stages until the work is done. In this video, we'll show how the deals appear here and how to manage them. Access the CRM in your personal account by clicking on the CRM button. You'll see that there are two major sections in the CRM: Deals and Customers. Let's talk about the Deals section first. The name you see here is the name of a pipeline. It's a list of deals that can be connected to a particular website or serve other purposes. A single CRM can have multiple pipelines. Let's imagine that we have different websites and want to receive the contact form requests in the different pipelines. Click on the arrow and hit Create New Pipeline to add a new one in the CRM. Add a name in the pop-up window and save it. In our case, we add the name of the website. Now let's connect the contact forms to the relevant pipelines. Open the editor, locate the form, tap to open its settings, and navigate to the Integrations tab. Select the list in the drop-down. Repeat this for all the contact forms on all websites. See how we connect the forms on different websites to different pipelines. Now let's move on to the actual deals. Once your client submits a request, all the information gets sent to the relevant pipeline. Each request creates a new deal in the CRM. New deals are highlighted in blue. Click on it to see more details. The responses from the fields can be found in the Attachments section. You can set a price for the deal, add additional information to the fields, or even create a custom field. Add your comments to the deal below. The columns in the pipeline reflect different stages of a deal. Let's imagine that we just received this deal. We're contacting the client, so the deal can be moved to the next stage, in progress. You can rename this stage by clicking on the name and adding your own. Now, the client promised to send some additional materials, so the deal is paused. It's not already in progress, but it's not yet done, so we need another stage. To create a new one, we click on the plus icon and enter the name. We then move the stage to the right position. All of these stages are fully customizable, so you can create your own statuses. To work with multiple deals at the same time, we recommend enabling the bird's-eye view of your CRM by clicking on the list icon here. You can tick a few deals and work with them together. Now let's move on to the Customers section. The customer catalog in CRM works as a database of past, current, or potential clients. You can add a new customer manually by clicking on the relevant button here. Fill in the fields and click Add. You can also create customers based on deals. For that, return to the Deals section, select one, click on the button linked to a customer and choose New. The fields will auto-fill, but you can add your own information too. Click Add to finalize the process. Go back to the list of customers to see that the newly added customer appears.